Good people, what's up? Let's go. Listen, I've been thinking. Question I ask, what is resilience? What is resilience? We hear it all the time. You gotta be resilient, all right? Well, let's dive into that powerful trait that we all possess, yet often is overlooked. Resilience is not just about bouncing back from challenges. It's about growing stronger through them. It's that inner force that propels you forward, even when the odds seem stacked against you. It's about finding that light, even in the darkest of times, and pushing towards it with unwavering determination. Now, speaking of resilience, I must mention a remarkable resource that embodies this very spirit, my new book. Yes, Unbreakable, Valor. It's a compelling exploration of resilience in action. Yes, indeed. Through vivid storytelling and insightful reflections, I take us all on this journey of individuals who faced unimaginable hardships, yet emerged stronger and more determined. Yeah, it's a testament to the power of human spirit, not just to endure, but to thrive amidst adversity. So, what can we learn from Unbreakable Valor? A lot. We can learn that resilience is woven into the fabric of our being, right? It is about embracing challenges, right, as catalysts for growth. It's not just about surviving, y'all. Good people. It's about thriving, transforming our struggles into strengths, right? Our pain into purpose. Let this book be a guide and inspiration to stir that resilient spirit in you, right? Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity to demonstrate your resilience. Take a moment and reflect on your journey and recognize your unbreakable spirit. And if you're looking back for a beacon of motivation, Unbreakable Valor might just be the spark that you need, right? I do plan on giving away about 10 copies. If you want to be one of the recipients, just DM me, let me know your name, do your email, and just city, state, see where we're coming from. And I will add you to our list, and we'll be selecting randomly. I probably have my daughter, my son, just pull randomly a name, and then I'll send y'all a copy. Full speed. Do remember, it's all about you. Yeah.